Hi, let's see how to practice Docker without any installations or without any server. It is very simple. Just open the browser, go to the labs.playwithdocker.com website, and you will be able to see the page here like this. Just click on Start button. So here they will open a session for you. Here you can see the time here, right? So that means 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours you can practice Docker in this session. Okay, they will allocate the server for you for 4 hours. Okay, so once the session has been started, just click on add instance. Once you click on add instance, they will create the mission and give it for your practice. Okay, just click on add instance. So here is the mission IP address, and this is the DNS, and this is the IP address, and this is the memory CPU utilization of this server. Okay, so here is the mission for you. Just click on Alt Enter to make it a bigger screen. So you can practice all your commands, Docker commands here. Docker yes, Docker full hello world. Let's download a hello world image. Hello world. So you can see Docker images now. So here is the hello world image, right? Now if you want to run this, Docker run -it hello world, right? So you can see this image is hello from Docker. Okay, this is the output. If you are getting this output, that means you are able to run the images, right? So you can pull whatever the image you want from the Docker hub, and you can practice all the commands. You can even practice swarm. You can even practice Docker compose files. You can even practice Docker file, Docker network. You can see Docker network.ls. You can see all the networks. Here is the bridge, is the default network which is given by Docker for us, right? So you can also see the Docker network configuration here. This is the default one, right? Okay, so you can practice whatever you want. Okay, as like your server, you are the admin here, so you can practice the Docker for 4 hours until this session get closed, right? So they for each session you open, by default they are giving for 4 hours. Okay, so within this 4 hours you have to practice. Maybe you can document all the commands whatever you have practiced in your notepad or WordPad, and again once it is closed, again you have to go for the new session. Okay, if you wanted to delete this server, just click on delete. Okay, once this is done, you can click on delete button. If you are willing to practice swarm, right, Docker swarm, then you can go here, click on this icon. So Docker swarm with 3 managers and 2 workers, 5 managers and no worker. Okay, in which model you want to launch the instances. Okay, so if you just need to practice normal commands, normal things, then you can just go for the instance. If you are looking for practicing Docker swarm, then go to this option and launch any one model here. Okay, I'm just going to launch this one. See this? So it will launch 3 managers and 2 workers for me. See this? These 3 are managers. You can see these 3 are managers for me. These 2 are workers for me. These 5 instances. Okay, it allocated 5 instances for me. You can see the IP addresses. First mission IP address is 43, second mission 42, third one 40. You can see the IP addresses. Each server is having a different IP. 5 servers total. Okay, 3 as managers and 2 as workers. Okay, you can also see Docker node ls, right? So total 5 managers. You can always click on Alt Enter to make it bigger. Okay, you can see Docker node ls. Total 5 servers are there, right? Total 3 managers and two workers. Okay, this is actually in the Docker Swarm mode. Okay, you can launch the n number of services here in the Swarm mode and practice the Docker Swarm feature as well here, right? If you wanted to promote this one also, yes, you can promote this one as a manager also. In okay, you see in the worker you cannot run docker node ls command because it is a worker. You cannot see all the nodes. Okay, you can only see that. You can execute that command only in the managers and see n number of nodes have been assigned for this form, right? And wherever you see the star, you can see the star here, right? That means you are currently logged into this server. You are currently accessing this server. That means, right? So this is how you can practice Docker without any installation, without any server, just through the web URL. Okay, enjoy the Docker. Keep learning. Keep watching Advith Devops World. Thank you.